Have you ever tried putting in a prompt and it immediately gets rejected? Yeah, it either shows an error or says it violates the terms and conditions. Well, I'm here to help you solve that. In today's video, I'll be showing you two great AI tools that let you create whatever you can imagine. Now get this, these tools are free and unlimited to use, no paywalls and no limits. They generate super realistic images and also high-resolution videos. I really do think you all need to check this out. Also, make sure you watch till the end because I've got something for you. Without wasting much time, click the subscribe button and let's dive in. So first, let's check out this free and unlimited AI image generator. Here you can find the prompt box, and you can see the other options down here. Now let's try out two custom prompts I'll be using for this test. These prompts will help us know the capabilities of each of these tools. So after I pasted my prompts, I made a few adjustments and then clicked Generate. And as you can see, the results came out looking very good. And I'm really impressed with what I have here. On your computer, if you check the different styles here, you'll be able to see a lot of options, but I'm not sure you can see mine right now. So let's change the style to a more realistic one. And yeah, the results came out looking even better. The second prompt is a point of view selfie shot style. After that, I selected a preferred visual style and clicked Generate, and this was my result. As you can see, this really looks good and very awesome. Also, if you get an awkward generation, you can just click the Regenerate button. To download the image, just click on the heart icon right here and save it to your device. Now lastly, let's see how this looks in a 3D animation style, and boom! As you can see, this actually looks very good. Now, don't forget what I said earlier, these tools are completely free, and they don't have any limitations on your generations. Now, I wish this one had video generation, but it hasn't been released yet, so I'm just going to give you another alternative. So yeah, some of you already know this because I've talked about it in my previous video. This is Hugging Face. Even though some of you already know about it, it's open source and gives you access to all kinds of AI creations you want. So if you really want to go with no limits, make sure you follow these instructions carefully. On the dashboard right here, head over to the Spaces icon, and when you click on it, you'll be presented with a lot of options, or rather, open source AI tools. We're not going to be scrolling around. Just head over here and type Kriya, then select this particular one you see on the screen. This opens a new dashboard where the whole setup is easy to navigate. So first, let's start with our custom prompt. After that, right down here, you'll find the other options. Then I clicked Generate, and this was the output I got. As you can see, it came out looking really good and very professional. Then I checked out the second custom prompt style, clicked Generate, and wow, my result looked very realistic. Now, that's not all I have. For the video generation aspect, which, as I mentioned, has no limits on your generations, this is how to go about it. Back here in the Spaces section, head over to the Video Generation category, and right here, make sure you select this particular one you see. Once you enter, you'll see a similar dashboard just like the one we talked about earlier, but this time, it's specifically for video generation. Here you have two options. You can either go with text to video, image to video, or even video to video. We're definitely going to try image to video. For this, we're going to upload one of the images we previously generated. After that, I entered a simple video prompt and clicked Generate, and this was my result. It actually came out looking very good. I'm really impressed. I'm going to be showing you more of what this can do, and if you want full information about new AI tools that are free and unlimited with no limits, all you have to do is comment free video, and I'll definitely show you what I've got. Now for the bonus tip. In the first video on this channel, I showed you how to generate cinematic long-form videos and ultra-realistic images for free using Higgsfield AI. Yes, Higgsfield, the best, if not the biggest AI platform you should know about. I also showed you how to get unlimited credits, and I'm currently doing a free giveaway of promo codes. All you need to do is check out the first video on this channel, or click the link you see on your screen. It will take you directly to the video. Just make sure you follow the instructions carefully so you can be verified. If you found this video helpful, let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe.